Hi, welcome to CyberLabs. Today we will see how to use Nmap inside Kali Linux, exploring its professional introduction and core importance. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is the industry-standard open-source tool used for network discovery and security auditing. It is a command-line utility, though GUI versions exist, designed to probe computer networks, discover hosts, and map out the services running on those hosts. At its core, Nmap works by sending specially crafted packets to target machines and analyzing their responses. This allows it to identify which devices are active on a network, which services, applications, or port numbers those devices are offering, what operating systems they are running, what types of packet filters or firewalls are in place. Why do professional cybersecurity experts use it? For a cybersecurity professional, Nmap is the Swiss Army knife of reconnaissance. Here is why it is an essential part of their toolkit: network inventory and asset discovery, vulnerability assessment, or port scanning, service and version detection, operating system fingerprinting, security auditing and firewall testing, scripting engine, NSE. For our practical demonstration, we will open the terminal and check the Help menu using Nmap-H, where the examples listed at the bottom show us how to structure a scan. Next, to check for vulnerabilities and open ports on our Windows target IP 192.168.0.102, we will execute the command nmap-script vuln 192.168.0.102. This command launches Nmap's built-in scripting engine, NSE, specifically to scan the target machine at IP address 192.168.0.102 for known security flaws, malware, and active exploits. It checks which network ports are currently open, identifies the services running on those ports, and automatically cross-references them against vulnerability databases. This allows security professionals to easily discover potential entry points, system weaknesses, and unpatched vulnerabilities on that specific host, which runs in the background to reveal flaws, the MAC address, and open ports such as 135, 139, and 445, so professionals can determine how to secure or exploit the system. After that, to save this live data permanently, we will run the professional command nmap-sv-sc-o scanresults.xml 192.168.0.102. This command performs a comprehensive professional-grade security scan against the target machine at IP address 192.168.0.102 and saves the findings into a structured report file. Specifically, -SV probes open ports to determine the exact service names and version numbers running on them, while -SC runs a collection of safe, default Nmap scripting engine scripts to discover common vulnerabilities and system information. The -O flag enables operating system detection to guess the target's OS type and version, and -OX scanresults.xml ensures that all of this intercepted data is permanently exported into an XML formatted document named scanresults.xml, rather than just being temporarily displayed on the terminal screen, which saves our entire output into an XML report file so the data isn't lost when closing the terminal. Once the scan completes, we will use this command to locate the file and type mousepad scanresults.xml to open it inside the mousepad text editor, allowing us to analyze the structured report open ports, and logged vulnerabilities for further security mitigation. Cybersecurity experts always make an XML file for report to check further information. See you in the next video.